Hello students. Now fertilization is completed. Male sperm nucleus and Ootida ova nucleus has been fused and zygote is made. Now what will be the number of chromosomes in the zygote? That will be again equal to 2n, that is equal to 46 chromosomes. Now here we will also find out determination of sex. Determination of sex of baby takes place with the fertilization. Keep remember this thing carried along with the fertilization. With the fertilization, it has been already decided the forthcoming baby will be male or female. How it takes place? Let's see here in the form of chromosomes. Male will have XY chromosomes and female will have male chromosomes XY. Female chromosomes will be XX. This is the 23rd pair of chromosome, that is called sex chromosome. Rest of the 22 chromosomes are the autosomes, and we will discuss in detail about the determination of sex in the genetics topic. So here we are just trying to find out how it is decided that the forthcoming baby will be male or female. Now when the gamete, this is the chromosome, when the gamete is made, in case of gamete, these chromosomes will separate and the gamete will consider either X or Y chromosome. The same will be here, but here in case of female, 44 plus XY, let's make it, and it is also 44 plus XX. So it will be 22 plus X and this will be 22 plus Y, and here 22 plus X and 22 plus Y. So gametes are made here. Now during the ovulation, during the oogenesis or spermatogenesis, when the oogenesis will take place, all the eggs will have same type of constituent, 22 plus X. Remember, the X or Y is the sex chromosome here. XX always produces female baby and XY always produces male baby. So here, in case of female, homogametic conditions are there. Always the same type of gametes are made here, you can say, not homogametic. Always the same types of gametes are made here, having the constituent 22 plus X. But in case of male, it is different. The sperm will either have 22 plus X condition or it will may have 22 plus Y condition. Now, when the cross takes place, it depends on which type of chromosome has been reached to the ampullary isthmic zone, and that will fertilize with the same ova always. Now let's see about the cross. There are two chances of cross. Let's see how the cross is made. Make this type of linings from here. Now first of all, it has been crossed with this. Now 22 and 22, 44, X and X. So if there is X and X, then the baby will definitely female. Now here again, once again, the condition is 22 plus 22 X X. So 44XX, again female baby. On the other hand, if we will see for this gamete may fuse again either with this or this one. So let's try to make the cross. When the cross is taking place between this and this, they will yield 22 plus 22, 44 and XY. And here this will make 44XY plus XY. So again you find now here the chances of male baby, because XY chromosomes are there. So we can see that there is a 50-50% chances to having male or female baby. This will be the male baby. And keep remember one thing, there is no Y chromosome is responsible for male baby, and there is no Y chromosome in the females. So you will have to remember that females are never ever responsible for the birth of a male baby, because the male baby can be produced only when the male gamete has the Y chromosome, and this Y chromosome is always absent in female gamete. So that is all for the determination of sex. Now after that we will see the next topic, that is cleavage, means post fertilization events. Till then, thank you.
कल की तरह फिर हो गया, रुकिए 2 सेकंड, 22 सेकंड रुकिए, थैंक यू आ जाएगा, कट कर दीजिए, कट कर देंगे।
कितना हुआ है
अभी टाइम नहीं बता रहा, चला गया।
तो क्या करें?
अभी 11 सेकंड